Hello, and welcome to DTF Transfers Now. We're thrilled that you've chosen us for your custom transfer needs. Whether you're a business or an individual, our high-quality DTF transfers are the perfect solution for your apparel and promotional product needs. In this video tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple process of placing an order with us. So, let's get started. Step 1. Browsing the catalog. Browse our extensive catalog of products till you find exactly what fits your needs. Step 2. Adding products to your cart. Once you've found the transfers you want, simply click on them to add them to your cart. You can add as many items as you like. Your selections will be saved in your shopping cart until you're ready to proceed to checkout. Step 3. Proceeding to checkout. When you're ready to place your order, click on the shopping cart icon in the top right corner of the website or click Proceed to checkout after adding products to cart. Step 4. Inputting delivery address and payment information. Now, you'll need to input your delivery address and payment information. Step 5. Selecting shipping options and adding notes. Next, choose your preferred shipping option. If you're located near Miami, you can also choose the Pickup for Free option. Step 6. Adding notes or special requests. If you have any special requests or specific comments regarding your order, you can add them in the notes section during the checkout process. Step 7. Placing your order. After double-checking your order details, go ahead and click the Place Order button. Congratulations! Your order has now been placed. Step 8. Sending your gang sheet. Before you placed your order, you should have already created your gang sheet. Save your gang sheet in a compatible format like PNG or PDF and email it to info@dtftransfersnow.com. That's it. You've successfully placed an order with DTF Transfers Now. We appreciate your trust in us and look forward to serving your transfer needs in the future.